If you haven't already noticed, I changed my channel name from Triple Whip Cycles to Tinkerbike. I've been thinking about doing this for a while, and I finally decided I was just going to go for it. I created the Triple Whip Cycles name when I was doing a lot of repairs and tune-ups as a side job. The name made sense since I was basically treating my garage as a bike shop and taking customers. Over time, I have gotten away from doing repairs and have transitioned more to building my own bikes, but also taking the time to ride a lot more and enjoy the bikes I create. As this has happened, the name Triple Whip Cycles made less and less sense to me. I was not a bike shop, and I had no intentions to be. I also didn't want this channel to be restricted in the future to doing bike tune-ups and repairs. Because of all that, I changed my channel name to Tinkerbike. I feel like Tinkerbike is more indicative of myself and where I want this channel to go in the future. We will spend a lot of time tinkering with bikes and building bikes in the future, but we will also expand into riding the bikes I built and enjoying what cycling is all about. Every day is a good day to be on a bike, and if this resonates with you, I ask that you click the subscribe button and follow along as I enjoy bikes.